Hey guys, welcome to Starter Garage. As promised earlier this week, today I'm going to try and start the E30 for the first time in what's probably been 2 years. So sit tight and let's see if we can get this going. I always forget my gloves. Much better. Okay, so first things first, I just took the battery off of the trickle charger. It's been sitting on that charger for a really long time. This isn't the original battery of the car. I just bought a spare one so I can move cars around the property. Anyways, it's been sitting on the trickle charger. I'm just gonna pop it in and see if we can get this car started. Let's see how it goes. Twice here. No, that's backwards. Positive, negative. That's a good noise. All right, so we're gonna tighten these down and then try to start the car. It's been so long, I don't even remember what size bolts these are. 13. All right. Okay, so the negative terminal is not quite on all the way, but for the purposes of what we're doing today, it should be sufficient. Obviously, I'll tighten it up before I take this thing on the road, but we should be in a position to try and start this thing now. So, let's give it a shot. Okay, now of course, safety first, right? So I'm gonna obviously open up the garage door behind me. You never want to start a car inside the garage with the door closed. I don't care how long you have it on, always make sure you have proper ventilation. That's all we really need. All right, so now we're in the car. I don't have any seats in the car right now because I need to weld up some patches in the transmission tunnel and in the floor. I'll go through those more in depth in another video, but just at a high level, that's not so good. Anyways, I need to weld in some patches, then I need to put in the roll bar, then I can put in the racing buckets, and then with the roll bar in place, I can put the harnesses in so that I can actually drive this car, because I scrapped the stock seats, and the stock seats, actually the seat belt buckles mount to the stock seats. So I don't have any seat belts right now. So this car's not going on the road. Anyways, I'm gonna sit on a bucket and see if we can get this car started. I don't think this is what they meant when they said reuse, but that's how it goes. Oh, that's ridiculously high. Alright. Car's out of gear. Lights are on. Let's see if she starts. Holy shit. This is why the car's named Jimmy. Doesn't sound fantastic. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off before it gets any worse. Yeah.
Anything for me, even though you wouldn't do it for a reason.
So that's what the car sounds like right now. Doesn't sound fantastic if I'm being honest. So we're gonna do some work on it. I have just some maintenance items to take care of. Oil change, a bunch of filters, a bunch of gaskets, new spark plugs, new spark plug wires, water pump, a couple of other accessory bits to replace. All right, so in the next video, I'm going to do all those maintenance items, or at least start working on those maintenance items that I just mentioned. I put it in order with FCP Euro. The parts are sitting here waiting, so all I have to do is unbox them and get to work. Obviously, I'll get into the details of what I ordered, what they're for, etc. In that next video. So until then, stay tuned. I know this was a quick video, but I owe you guys content. I'm a little behind, and I apologize for that. Thanks to the new subscribers from the last video. You guys, it really made my day. I think the second to last video, let's be honest, it didn't do so well, and the last video actually eclipsed it in less than 3 hours. So that made me really happy. Got a couple of new subscribers out of that. So if you joined based on the last video or my last Instagram posts, thank you very much. If you're not a subscriber already, please consider hitting subscribe below. And you can also find me on Instagram at Starter Garage Online. I am most active on there. Any way you choose to join us or join me, I really appreciate it, and I hope to keep entertaining and educating you guys as we go forward. See you in the next one. Hey guys, and welcome to Starter Garage. Nope. Hey guys, and welcome to another something like. Of course you'd fall. Why wouldn't you fall? Of course you'd fall. Yeah, that's great. Back on the charger, and we're back to our regular schedule.